everyone, welcome to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to blur your house on Google Maps. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser and type in maps.google.com in the search box and make sure that you're logged into your Google account. After you open up your Google Maps, type in your home address in the search box at the top left. Once you find the address for your home, go to the bottom right hand corner and click on this little yellow human pigment icon and drag him to the area onto the road in front of your home. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the street view of the area that you're trying to explore. Use the arrow in order to rotate the view so that you can find your home right in front of you. Once you do that, select Report a Problem link at the bottom right hand corner. You'll be able to see the image of the street view with a little red box right around your home. You can rotate the image or zoom in and zoom out in order to locate your home right in the middle of the red box and fill out the form displayed right beneath. Right where it says request blurring, choose what would you like to blur. Let me select my home option. You'll need to include additional information which will help identify the correct home that should be blurred. Go ahead and type in any region. For example, let me type in privacy concern. Now, finally, go to the email address text box beneath and type in your email address in the text box. Click on I'm not a robot and once you complete the CAPTCHA, tap on the Submit button at the bottom of this page. Once you submit the form, you'll need to wait for Google to review the request and respond to you. It might also follow up via email that you've provided right here in the email address text box. That way you'll be able to blur out your house on Google Maps if you're concerned about your privacy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.